Thank you for joining us today. Today we will be discussing Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. This is the last of 4 sessions. Today we will cover as much as possible, but our topics today include a review of the Power BI integration, a review of the powerful Business Central Outlook integration, and lastly we are going to take a look at how to get a trial version of Business Central. Before we begin, let's learn more about Opal Business Solutions. Opal has approximately 20 team members with a wide variety of technical expertise and certifications. Opal is also a Silver Enterprise Partner and CSP with Microsoft. Opal strives hard to serve as an extension of your team, helping you to design and deliver technology solutions to help you anticipate and overcome business challenges. With 2 offices on the East Coast, Opal provides quick and reliable products and service throughout the United States. Opal is able to provide one stop for your technology needs. Whether looking for enterprise-level hardware, SMB equipment, or even certified pre-owned, Opal can provide the equipment to meet your needs. Opal also provides CSP licensing on Microsoft applications, while also customizing any software to meet your needs. Finally, Opal's network service team provides the expertise and knowledge to design, upgrade, and support your entire infrastructure. With Opal's team, monitoring and maintaining your network you will have the latest security protection and meet the industry-verified compliances. Without further delay, I am Dallas Davidson, a Business Central engineer at Opal Business Solutions. Let's begin our presentation and learn about Dynamics 365 Business Central. In our previous presentations, we said that Business Central is part of the Microsoft Dynamics 365 product line of enterprise resource planning applications. Business Central is Microsoft's premier cloud-based financial management solution. It is used by companies of all sizes to automate key business processes. It is an all-in-one business management solution that is easy to use and adapt. It also seamlessly integrates with additional Microsoft software, including Outlook, Excel, Word, Power BI, and Dynamics 365 Sales. In our previous presentations, we also discussed and walked through the payables and receivables processes in Business Central, as well as how to use the intelligent cloud insights to pay an invoice. Last week, we also discussed the integration between Dynamics 365 Business Central Premium Edition and Dynamics 365 for Sales Customer Engagement. The integration is perfect if you use Dynamics 365 Sales for customer engagement because you can enjoy seamless integration in the lead-to-cash processes by using Business Central for back-end activities such as processing orders, managing inventory, completing financial processes. Integrating the applications lets you access data in sales from Business Central and in some cases the other way around. You can work with and synchronize data that both services have in common, such as customers, contacts, and sales information, and keep the data up to date in both applications. Today we will begin by discussing Business Central's integration with Power BI. As Jay mentioned in previous Lunch and Learns, specifically the Power BI series, Power BI is a powerful reporting tool. The Power BI online version integrates seamlessly with Business Central, which means getting insights into your Business Central data is quick and easy. By using Power BI and the Business Central content packs, Power BI retrieves your data from Business Central and builds an out-of-the-box dashboard and reports based on the Business Central data. Power BI content pack reports are available throughout Business Central, such as on the home screen, on the Intelligent Cloud Insights screen, in the customers, vendors, and items list pages. The available content packs Microsoft has currently published are the CRM, Customer List, Finance, Items List, Jobs List, Purchase Invoice, Sales Order List, and Vendor List content packs. The packs are enabled within the app source by downloading the content pack and using your Business Central login and company name to access the content pack. Once a pack is downloaded, the report is immediately available within your own business data within Business Central and Power BI Online. To enable custom reports in Power BI, you must download the Power BI desktop version though. To learn more about Power BI, please check out Jay's Lunch and Learn series on our Opal YouTube channel. Next, we are going to discuss the Business Central Outlook add-in. Business Central introduces the ability to manage business interactions with your customers and vendors directly in Microsoft Outlook. With the Business Central Outlook add-ins, you can see financial data related to customers and vendors, as well as create and send financial documents such as quotes and invoices. Today, we are going to take a look at the Outlook add-in in the live environment and create a quote and convert the quote to an invoice for our customer, a datum fabrication. We are then going to post and send the invoice to the client without ever leaving Outlook. This is a demo environment of Outlook. So let's say that you get an email from a customer that wants to get a quote on some items. So for example, this email here. This customer would like to purchase 2 black chairs. Directly in Outlook, you can open the Business Central add-in in the top right-hand corner, which is Contact Insights. The Contact Insights will recognize the sender as a customer and open the customer card for this company. So in this case, we can see this is a datum fabrication. From this dashboard, you can see an overview of information for the customer, as well as drill down for more detail on specific documents. You can also dig into the sales history of the customer without ever leaving Outlook. All of the information you need to send the sales quote is available in your business inbox in Outlook. So we can begin creating a new sales quote by selecting New in the top right-hand corner and then selecting Sales Quote. We can see that Intelligent Insights has already recognized that the customer would like a black chair. Since we have 2 items that match the description black chair, we have to resolve this in the suggested line items window. Here we can see that 8 Mexico swivel chairs are on hand, so I'm going to select the Mexico swivel chair. Here we can see that the Intelligent Cloud Insights is also filled in our quote for us. Once we have all the data entered or added any line items that we may need to enter, we can go ahead and send this to our client. Business Central automatically generates a PDF file with a sales quote and attaches it to the email message that the draft is in. So if a client responds here and requests the quote be converted to an invoice, we can just as easily convert the quote to our customer and send it back to them, all without ever leaving Outlook. So in this case, we are going to use the Contact Insights again. And use the Sell To Customer History to select the invoice or the sales quote that we just created. In this case, instead of sending this to the client, we are going to go ahead and make this an invoice. And again, our Intelligent Insights have already filled out the majority of our invoice here. If we review this and everything seems correct, we can go ahead and post and send this invoice directly from Outlook. And we can see we only have now 1 outstanding sales quote. Here's the invoice that's going to be sent to our client. And if we go back to our Contact Insights page, we can see now that we have successfully posted the sales invoice. We only have one ongoing sales quote instead of two, and we actually have two posted sales invoices in the sell to customer history. So we were able to actually quote and convert the quote to an invoice and post the invoice all directly from Outlook without ever leaving. So now that we've discussed the Outlook add-in a little bit, I'm going to go back to the PowerPoint and discuss how to sign up for a trial version of Business Central and wrap up the Lunch and Learn series on Business Central. All right, so lastly, we're going to discuss how to get a trial version of Business Central. To get a trial version, first you want to navigate to trials.dynamics.com and select the Business Central tile. Notice that the tile in the picture is highlighted blue when it's selected. When you first go to trials.dynamics.com, the first tile that will be selected is the sales tile, so you have to make sure that this is highlighted in blue to make sure that you're getting the correct trial version. Next, you will want to fill in your work email and phone number. And when you select Get Started, Microsoft will guide you through a series of prompts and send you a verification code to the email that you entered in the work email field. Once the prompts are filled in, you will be able to log into your trial tenant by going to home.dynamics.com and entering the email and password you used to sign up for the Business Central trial. When you hit Sign in, you'll be brought to this screen and you want to select your Business Central tile. To change your user experience from Essential to Premium, you'll hit the magnifying glass here in the top right-hand corner and type in company information. You'll select the relevant link, and in user experience, you'll select Premium or Essential based on the version that you're interested in trying. So just to recap, the differences quickly between Premium and Essentials. We did talk about this in the first series, but Business Central Premium is $100 per user per month, and Business Central Essentials is $70 per user per month. Business Central Premium integrates with Dynamics for Sales if you purchase a customer engagement license. Business Central Essentials does not integrate with Dynamics for Sales. Both Business Central Premium and Business Central Essentials will integrate with Outlook out of the box with no additional costs. And both integrate with Power BI if you purchase a Power BI license for $10 per user per month. If you already use Microsoft GP, there may also be a transition offer that we can talk to you about as well. If you have any problems signing up for a trial, please feel free to reach out to me at dallas@opalbiz.com. At this time, we will read and answer any questions that have been submitted using the chat functionality. I will give everyone a minute to submit any questions that they might have. Right. I don't see any questions popping up in the chat box. If anyone thinks of any questions regarding Business Central and anything we've covered in this Lunch and Learn series, please feel free to reach out to me at dallas@opalbiz.com. Remember to look for our monthly newsletter sent the fourth week of the month, as well as our Microsoft email sent the first week of the month, in order to keep up to date with the latest tips and features. Thank you for joining us today, and please remember to look for this video and others on the Opal YouTube channel.